AVATACK started out in chemical manufacturing and grew to become a leading global adhesive solution provider. With more than half a century of knowledge and technology accumulation, we have developed and are experienced in precise coating technology and polymer adhesive technology. From consumer products to electronics, medical, food, and other industries, we can satisfy different customer needs while also meeting global standards in products and services through our sales network worldwide. Now, more than ever, sustainability has become a significant part of corporate goals and practices. AVATACK has joined global efforts to drive transformation towards greater sustainability, from controlling resin formulation properties to applications development. We provide customers with tailor-made high-performance solutions. We are not only working to make our products greener, but also our own operations more environmentally friendly. For example, by being the first to adopt a waste solvent recovery system, we have been significantly reducing harmful emissions in our factories, thus enhancing the work environment of our employees and the general conditions around the plant area. We are able to reuse some of the solvents, which lowers our overall carbon footprint. Our manufacturing plants utilize AI for smart manufacturing at the pre, mid, and post-testing phases, as well as QR codes for product tracing that better manages the entire production process. Including robotic arms and automated warehousing, we improve production efficiency and quality, thus allowing us to deliver the best product at the shortest possible time. By pairing sustainable development and digital transformation, AVATACK continues innovating towards products that are in line with the most in-demand market trends, exploring infinite possibilities in eco-conscious living. AVATACK's biodegradable, bio-based, and recycled materials have been certified by international certifying bodies, and our facilities are certified by ISO and recognized by EcoVadis. Our eco-friendly products have also won the Taiwan Excellence Award. By transforming ubiquitous materials like plastic into sustainable alternatives, we hope to create a positive impact on the environment, various industries, and society in general, creating a more fulfilling life for everyone. AVATACK, sustainable materials for a better future.